Like joining the contest, joining 2 contests. What learning did you get?
When we fail, we must try again and again until we make it correct.
How old are you again? 9?
Almost 9.
And you have this quote. Hello everyone, this is again Jake for Aii Talk Season 2. And I'm very excited for today because this is such a refreshing episode. We have 2 special guests and they will share to us their experience being in a competition here at Aii Language Center. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Litong and his mom. Hello. Nice to see you today. How are you today, Litong?
I'm fine.
Okay, really fine. Okay.
A little bit of anxiety.
Oh, anxiety at your age? Why? Okay, let's do some breathing exercise first before we begin or we continue, okay? Okay, good job. Inhale and exhale. Okay, inhale. One more time. And exhale. Great job. Okay. So you did very well during the spelling bee contest. Did you win?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
I even bring my medal here.
Oh, great. Where's your medal? Can we get the medal so we can show it? Okay. So with this contest for the spelling bee, what did you do to prepare for it?
I was practicing on the app that my spelling bee teacher recommended to.
Mm-hmm. And then how many times did you practice?
5.
5 times. Okay. And then you get second place, right? Second runner up, sorry. There you go. Thank you. Okay, so during this contest, your mom was there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, she was cheering for you.
I mean, like when they were voting for who's the third, she was scared.
Oh,
I mean,
okay.
she was afraid.
Okay, but then she finally heard that it's you, right? Okay, great. But your dad, where is your dad at that time?
My dad, during the spelling bee, he went to work. I think he was having some important work there.
Okay, and then after you win the prize, did you tell your dad about it?
Yes,
And what was his reaction?
he was happy.
Okay, very, very happy. Did you celebrate? Is there any small celebration maybe or big celebration maybe?
Everybody said congratulations, even
Okay.
the teachers.
Yes, and that's a big celebration already, right? Okay, thank you. Now, how old are you when you first started studying in AII?
5,
5 years old.
Yes.
Okay, and now how old are you now?
almost 9.
Almost 9. And when is your birthday again?
25th December.
Christmas Day. Do you also celebrate Christmas at home?
Sometimes I celebrate my birthday at home, and sometimes I celebrate it on a restaurant.
On a restaurant, okay. So it's a double celebration, right? But then again, I like to focus more on who helped you like speak like this. You speak like really very fluent English.
I learned. Sometimes my older sister helps me speak because she already graduated.
Okay. Did she also study in AII before?
Yeah, she
Okay.
one graduate from kid program and one graduate the whole school.
Ah, very nice. Okay. So how many are you all in the family?
There's only four people, but if my sister and uncle counted, there would be 6.
Okay, she's very, very exact. Thank you so much. Now, I'll go back to my script right here. So if there's any important lesson that you've learned in AII, what is that lesson?
I learned about like how I speak English, and I learned at first I was scared, but now I'm not really.
I think so. You're not really scared at all. But in terms of, let's say, listening, speaking, reading, or writing, which do you think you're really good at?
I think I'm good at reading.
You're good at reading. Okay, you love reading too? Okay, you read books?
Yes.
Really? Swear?
Yes, I swear.
The reason why there are many kids out there who don't read anymore, but you still read. Okay. What is your favorite book though?
My favorite book is like the reading future book, but sometimes it's a storybook.
It's a storybook. Any storybook that really, touches your heart or really you like the
It
most?
interests me.
Which one?
Sometimes I like to read books about the old times,
The old times. And what is it in the old times that you want to know more about?
the traditional things of Cambodia.
Oh, wonderful. Okay. Mommy, you raised a very good child right here who wanted to know more about Cambodia. But for Mommy, I think, okay, I'll talk to Mommy first, okay? There are many language schools in Cambodia. Why did you choose AII Language Center?
ដោយសារតែការពីដំបូងឡើយហ្នឹងបងស្រីរបស់គាត់ចូលរៀនបានមុនហើយគាត់ណែនាំឃើញថាការគាត់ចូលរៀនដំបូងហ្នឹងគឺក្មួយស្រីខ្ញុំហ្នឹងគាត់រៀនបានល្អគាត់ផ្លាស់ប្ដូរពីសាលាមួយចូលសាលា AI គឺគាត់រៀនបានឃើញថាលទ្ធផលរបស់គាត់ល្អគាត់ចេះអានគាត់និយាយអង់គ្លេសបានល្អបន្ទាប់មកកូនខ្ញុំក៏ណែនាំមករៀនចូលមួយគាត់ហ្នឹងសាលា AI ហ្នឹង
Thank you, Mommy. So that's really good. I think that's actually one of the most powerful tool when you can share with AII Language Center. That's the reason why we're building so many branches around or across Cambodia is to reach out to more people. And when more people believe in AII, they share about it. And I think that's how you know about AII. So thank you so much. But is there any other important quality that you see? Let's say, for example, did you see any positive changes in your son after being part of AII?
ចាកន្លែងហ្នឹងគឺគាត់ផ្លាស់ប្ដូរគាត់មានភាពក្លាហានជាងមុនហើយកិច្ចការសាលាដែលដាក់ទៅគឺគាត់ធ្វើបានពេលខ្លះគាត់ឆ្ងល់តែគាត់អាចដោះស្រាយខ្លួនឯងបានហើយតែពិសេសជាងគេហ្នឹងគឺការនិយាយរបស់គាត់គឺគាត់និយាយបានល្អហើយអ្នកជំនាញខ្លួនគាត់ព្រមទាំងបងស្រីគាត់ដែលណែនាំឲ្យចូលរៀនហ្នឹងគឺគាត់ភ្ញាក់ផ្អើលដែរដែលគាត់រៀនចាប់បានច្រើនអញ្ចឹង
Do you agree with Mommy?
Yes, I do.
Okay, 100%, right? Okay, you also see that change, right? That you're really getting better. So I will ask you, why is it important for you that you joined that spelling bee contest? Is it the first contest that you joined in AII? No, it's the second. Okay, what was the first contest that you joined?
The pronunciation.
The pronunciation contest.
When I got 8th place, I just wanted to try again, so that's why I joined the spelling bee.
I see. And then during the spelling bee, you don't have much expectations, right? You just wanted to try again.
I just wanted to try.
And you know what happened when you just wanted to try again and you don't have expectations? Sometimes, Buddha or God actually give it to you. Because, when you're humbled and then you're just doing your best, normally you're gonna get it. So with this experience, what did you learn from it? Like joining the contest, joining 2 contests, what learning did you get?
I seen when we fail, we must try again and again until we make it correct.
How old are you again? 9?
Almost 9.
And you have this quote in your heart, when you, how is that again? What was that again?
I said when we fail something, we must try again and again until we get it correctly.
Very nice. Okay, never stop learning until you finally get the correct one, right? You're such an adorable kid, and I think your mom is very proud of you. Now, during that moment that you are right there receiving the medal and your award, what did you feel about yourself, about everything?
I feel happy. A little bit.
A little bit. Okay, why only a little bit?
A little bit scared and happy.
Yes, I see. There's a little bit of scared because people would maybe expect a lot from you now because you're getting better, but that's okay. So now finally, if you have any message to other kids out there who's watching us right now, what will be your message to them? You're 9-year-old, you're achieving some of these success in your life. What's your message for them?
I said I wanted to let them study more and I want them to improve in their English skills. Sometimes the grammar is kind of bad, so that's why I teach them some.
Okay. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mommy, and thank you, Litong, for sharing your experience with us today. And hopefully you can do better with the studies, make Mama and your daddy very, very proud, and then hopefully you grow up such a wonderful person and you will become a good contribution to your nation or to your country, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Thank you so much. This has been Jake again for AI Talk Season 2. Thank you so much for tuning in. Can we all say goodbye to the camera? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you so much.